So we're calling this project 1 + 1 = 1. This is my 2013 Caprice. Finished doing a full rebuild on the engine, exhaust, suspension, brakes. Pretty much the whole car's been gone through. Well, then it got hit in the rear and on the side, so insurance totaled it out. But I had taken the car from 15.4 seconds on the quarter mile. I had it down to 12.4 seconds on the quarter mile, so I couldn't let it go to waste. Couldn't let insurance take it, total it out. So it's got rear end damage. This one has front end damage. Pretty much everything on the front end of this car is tore up, but it's almost all bodywork as far as I can tell so far. I already have new headlights for it, and the only thing mechanically that's obviously broken, and you can't really tell it, is the radiator. So today is day one of rebuilding this. I'm hoping today is just going to be real simple. It's going to be all tear down. So the whole front end of this car is going to have to come off, check and see if there's anything else underneath that's broken, damaged, needs to be replaced, and we're going to have to start making some decisions from there. But ultimately, this car hopefully will be rebuilt using the parts off of this one. This car has 70,000 less miles and is 3 years newer, so by the time all is said and done, we should have a nice new car. And it's got a lot of upgrades. The 2016 has a lot more features. It has remote start, it's got an upgraded interior, backup camera. Altogether, it's just got more options, so we're hoping we can make something good out of this. Stay tuned.